6:40 and we are at Kortalin Jetty. We have a scheduled boat trip, Zuari boat trip today. So we are waiting for the boat to come. And our target species for today are black-capped kingfisher and collared kingfisher. So there will be other species. I don't know what other species available, but I'm more keen to click this photograph of this two kingfishers which are found here in the Zuari river. And I'm with Manish here. So we are going for this Zuari boat ride. So any excitement is there?
Yes, really exciting, and I hope we could have been found this kingfisher.
Black-capped kingfisher
Yes.
and collared kingfisher.
Yes,
and
yes.
the third one, if you're lucky, will be like stoke-billed kingfisher also.
Stoke-billed.
So then there should be the other kingfishers also, like white-throated kingfisher and common kingfisher. So most for this trip, 5 kingfishers will be covering, plus
Right.
other species.
Yes.
So from here, the timing was 6:45, so he didn't turn up yet. So he says that let the light improve. So we may start by 7. So boat is come. So we are going to the boat. Hi, I'm Arvin. Manish. Clifford. So can you tell me a little about this your boat and what species we are going to see?
Especially we looking for the kingfisher, all kingfisher to see, and some radars also.
Great.
Yeah, some raptors.
Okay. Great.
Osprey will get.
Osprey, yeah, osprey. Let's see if we get.
What are the eagle species we can going to get?
Brahmani kite, white belly sea eagle.
Okay, that's good. Fine.
Thanks.
Yeah, we can start now.
Yeah, we can start.
So this is our first experience on a boat ride, and what is the name of this boat?
Claws and jaws. The same.
Claws and Jaws. I can hear already one kingfisher, common kingfisher. So this is the new constructed bridge behind it, and this is the old one. Look at this. This is intermediate egret, I believe. We were able to click white-bellied sea eagle, and I think it's just soaring in here. The bridge, we just landed there. So we can try another shot of the bird. So fine. The visibility is poor though, but let's see, it should improve as the time passes, because we have at least 2.5 hours here. This white-bellied sea eagle just here. I want to take a video of this. We just heard a call of collared kingfisher, hoping to catch a glimpse of it for the first time. So here there is a white-throated kingfisher and a little cormorant here, and there next to that is a white-tailed swallow. On this, you can see white-tailed swallow here right on this plan. We can hear a call of stock-billed kingfisher. The Zuari river ecosystem is quite big, lot of mangroves, and that's the reason you can see these migratory kingfishers. There are a couple of orange-breasted green pigeon and one black-headed ibis nearby. A little, there's a striated heron there, but it went inside. Took a shot of it. And we could hear Blitz reed warbler in the mangroves, but could not take a picture of that. Couple of Brahmini kites. You can hear the calls of stock-billed kingfisher. We're just getting closer to it. Hope we can get a glimpse of it. Here there are a lot of gull-bill terns picking up something from. So finally we have captured one of the 3 kingfishers we were looking for, collared kingfisher. And we are getting close to the second one. This is at eye level. The earlier one was quite high. नहीं, collared kingfisher, green color. बैठा है वो? हाँ, green color का एकदम. Here we can see a nest of a Brahmini kite. So at one point we were not able to capture collared kingfisher, but later on we got some beautiful shots of that bird. And at one point there were 3 collared kingfishers trying to, I don't know whether it was a mating or something, or competing with a female. But there were 3 kingfishers opening their wings. Here's another Brahmini kite. So the other 2 kingfishers we are still looking out for. One is stock-billed kingfisher and black-capped kingfisher. On the way we spotted striated heron and black-crowned night heron, but though we could not get a clear shot of black-crowned night heron because it was quite inside. I can see the crocodile right there, around 1.5 meters probably in size. This is Indian mugger. Very close to the crocodile here, just around 10 meters away from here, right here. This is Indian mugger. Got some good shots of osprey while taking flight, and that's probably our last capture. Now we are heading back to the Kortalinj jetty. but you did a great job. We enjoyed. It's actually difficult to maneuver and keep the pace while we are shooting. So Clifford did a wonderful job there. Adjutant. Okay, let me have a click of lesser adjutant stroke. So we are returning back and you can see the tide. It is quite, this is almost high tide now, and if you visit during low tide then you can get more species where the species come to hunt near water, and that's the time when the chances of spotting black-capped kingfisher. So that's the one species which we were not able to even hear a call. So we had good sighting of collared kingfisher and stroke-billed kingfisher, where multiple calls were there. We even saw it flying, but no close shots of the bird. So out of the 6 species of kingfisher, we were able to capture 4. The 5th one was the calls were heard, that is stroke-billed kingfisher, and 6th one we could not spot anything. So maybe better next time. One lifer added for kingfisher for me is collared kingfisher. It was a great experience of this boat ride, where you get many species to cover which otherwise are difficult to spot from the riverside, and there's quite a long area you can cover on the boat without be moving in. Let's see, a total of around 30 species what I have already noted in eBird. After going through the pictures and calls, I'll be adding it, and I'll update that list in this video. So Manish, you can say a couple of words for this trip. What
I
is
would
your
say-
experience?
Thanks, Irwin. I would say this trip is 5 out of 5. It's amazing. It's super duper hit. I can't say like Western Mass Harrier, Seagull, Osprey, white collared, and common kingfisher, and crocodile. It's lots of things I've never seen. Okay, so it's very good and really exciting. It's super trip.
Yes, that's many.
Yeah, you
Manish
can
looks
see, you
very
can,
satisfied.
Yeah, you can say it's a bumper sighting.
Okay, so do you have any wish list for future trips, or want to make any future
Yeah, I
trips?
want to see an osprey or like raptors with in action while they are killing their prey actually. So this is one of my wish list. So next time definitely it will complete, and Irwin has promised me next time we'll cover the same. Okay,
Yes,
guys,
yes.
thank you. Please do come.
Yeah, you can add something to this. What more we see what we didn't spot today.
Mostly we can spot the birds at the low tide, but we have to low tide has to be at earlier.
Okay, so the morning time when it is low tide is the best chance of sighting the birds. So what we had a target of collared kingfisher and black-capped kingfisher. So out of these 2, we tick mark for collared kingfisher. So the black-capped